How to change to dark mode in the Tumblr app. If you have been using the Tumblr application and wondering on how to change to dark mode on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Tumblr application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the bottom, just right here. Tap on it. Then you will find something like this. Now to change to dark mode, tap onto this color palette option right here. Select it. Then here you can find background right here. Tap on it. Then from here you can simply choose the color to dark mode. Just choose the black one just like this and swipe to down just like this and tap on to update and tap on to save. And now you can see you have simply changed to dark mode. And that's it. This is how you can change to dark mode into the Tumblr app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.